Good morning, Tsai here. In this video, I want to talk about solo ads. And so what is solo ad and how does it work, right? So solo ad is what we call email endorsement ad. So let's say you got a friend called John. So John owns the email list, right? So this is maybe John, yeah. Then John got the email list. Let's say he got 10,000 subscribers, right? So you can say, hey, John, I want to buy solo ad from you. How does it work? So he will say, oh, sure. It's $30 for 100 clicks. So you say, okay, good. So you pay him $30. Then he will send emails to his list on your behalf, right? So right now he's sending those emails, and those emails will endorse your offer or endorse you. Then those traffic will go to your opt-in page or your offer, right? So let's say if you want to build the email list, you can send them a free report and with an opt-in page, right? So right now, those traffic will go to your opt-in page and they will become your subscribers. So right now, those subscribers, not only John's subscribers, they are also your subscriber as well. And the power of solo ad is that if John built his list in the right way, which means he built the trust, he built a relationship, he provided value, free training, those trust will be transferred to you. And that's the power of solo ad, because they trust John so that they trust you. So if you want to buy solo ad, you really want to make sure the seller or the vendor is building his list in the right way, which means the audience is great, is high quality, and also he is providing value so that his list trusts him, right? So that's how you buy solo ads, right? So the best place for you to buy solo ads is you can go to Udemy, right? So the first place you can go is Udemy, right? So Udemy is the platform for you to sell or buy solo ads. Another place is there are so many solo ad Facebook group. So you can go to those groups and to see what are the seller. But before you buy their ad, you want to make sure they are actually on the list. They are not some kind of middleman, because right now there are so many middlemen on the marketplace. So that's how you buy solo ads. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.